Welcome to MotorMav. Today, we will talk about Dodge Charger control arm replacement cost and everything you need to know. The control arm replacement cost depends on different models of Dodge Charger cars. It can also depend on the location of the car. On average, the cost to replace the lower control arm for a Dodge Charger car is $534. Here are some different lower control arm replacement costs for different models and locations. Number 1. In Nevada, the 2006 Dodge Charger Model 5.7L V8 can cost you around $585 to $715 for lower control arm replacement. Number 2. In California, the 2007 Dodge Charger Model 2.7L V6 base can cost you around $370 to $520 for lower control arm replacement. Number 3. In Texas, the 2010 Dodge Charger Model 3.5L V6 can cost you around $995 to $1,216 lower control arm replacement. Number 4. In Nevada, the 2011 Dodge Charger Model 3.6L V6 can cost you around $200 to $420 for lower control arm replacement. Number 5. In Arizona, the 2012 Dodge Charger Model 3.6L V6 can cost you around $466 to $570 for lower control arm replacement. For other locations, the lower control arm replacement cost of Dodge Charger can differ, and the estimated cost is $510 to $630. We hope this video will be very useful for you. Thanks for watching.